I'm so full. The quick was the best.
Really?
Yeah. You had 4, I had 10.
Third bite mo na to, no?
Mm-hmm.
Wait lang.
Wow. Strat.
Cash kaya ako sa ulo ko.
Wow.
Third bite ko siya.
Mm.
Third bite?
Mm.
Ayun.
Wow. Musik ko nga yan. One yung natira dyan.
Sana, one lang na makuha.
Eh, at least nakakuha.
Mhm.
4? Mm-hmm.
Ito lang. Ako.
Five? 5 yun? Ah, okay.
Nahulog.
Hmm?
Nahulog.
Nahulog na. Wala, which one mo sa akin? Ito. Oh my gosh. 3. Okay, I'm okay with that. I'm already getting full anyways. All I wanted was the quick. If we're being for real.
At your first bite,
Mm-hmm.
sabihin ulit ng mga viewers, ako oyo-oyo na babae. Nandiyan lang po ako ngayon.
Hmm.
Lap, yung gaya.